Hello friends, welcome to yet another captivating video of Wisdom Zone. This is Shubro, and friends, in today's video I'm gonna discuss how to use some common English words in advanced ways. So it is my earnest request, please watch this video, and if you still haven't subscribed to this channel, please do not wait, immediately go ahead and subscribe to Wisdom Zone and hit the bell icon to get the first notification. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So friends, welcome back once again to this fascinating video on use of common terms in advanced ways. And as I have promised you, in today's video, I am going to show you how you can use some very simple and common words in advanced ways. So without further delay, let's get started with today's video. So friends, the first common word is on your screen, that is run. As you know, we use it in our day-to-day life, run. So we can use run in a different way. We can use run also to mean manage. Let me show you the example. She runs a successful online business. That means she manages. I'm quite sure it's clear. So you can use run in this way also. Up next, we will see the second common word, which is break. As you know, common meaning of break. But here we can use it in a different way. Here we can use break to mean opportunity or a chance. So as you see the example, this internship could be your big break. So like this way, that means could be your big break means it could be your big chance. Up next, we'll see the third common word, which is make. I hope you know the basic meaning. So you can use this word in advanced way and also convey the meaning force someone. So as you see the example, the teacher made us complete the task on time. That means teacher compelled us or forced us to complete the task on time. So I'm using the past of make, that is made. You can also use it in present. The teacher makes us complete the task every day. So like this way, you can also use in present. That means to compel someone or force someone to do something. Up next, we'll dive into the next word, that is fourth common word is take. Use this in a different way, an advanced way. It means to require. It can be time or effort. So let me show you how to use it. It takes patience to learn a new language. So like this way, you can use take and use it in a very advanced way to mean require. Up next, we'll dive into the fifth common word, that is gate. Here we can use it in advanced way to convey the meaning become. So as you see the example, he is getting better at public speaking. That means he is becoming better at public speaking. I'm quite sure it's clear. Up next, we will see the sixth common term which you can use to convey advanced meaning, that is change into. One can be used in a different way, that is change into. Let me show you the example. The situation quickly turned serious. That means it changed into serious situation. So like this way you can use the word turn to mean change into something or transpire into something. Up next, we will dive into the seventh common term, that is hold. And here we can use in a different advanced way, that is to organize or to conduct. So I'm quite sure it's clear. Let me show you the example. The school will hold a meeting tomorrow. So we are using in a different manner. You're not saying hold means to grab something. So here hold doesn't mean keep something in your hand. Here hold means to organize or to conduct. That means the school will conduct or organize. Up next, we'll dive into the eighth common term, that is catch. We can use it in different advanced ways. The meaning can be understand or notice. So as you see example, I didn't quite catch what she said. That means I didn't understand. Next, we'll dive into the ninth common term, that is set, which can be used in advanced ways, that is to establish or fix. As you see the example, they set a new world record. That means they establish. Up next, we will dive into the 10th common word which we always use in our day-to-day life, that is go. We can use it in very advanced manner to mean function or work. So as you see the example, my phone won't go properly after the update. So that means my phone won't go properly after the update means it would not function or work properly after the update. Quite sure it's clear. So friends, I hope you have understood. In today's video, I have given some extremely interesting words. These are very common words. You can use them in advanced ways. I have shown you. Please go through the examples and the meanings and how you can use them. And if you still haven't subscribed to this channel, please do not wait. Immediately go ahead and subscribe to Wisdom Zone and hit the bell icon to get the first notification. So stay tuned for further informative videos, and please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Wisdom Zone.